All right, doing another dash cam. I just dropped off a couple contestants on the Good Friday rehearsals. You see, I would go around and I would show you the geese, but they're extremely aggressive. That sign is not lying, like attack your car and stuff like that. So I'm not going to go around. Probably would be funny, but I don't want to taunt the poor animals. I actually couldn't get out the other day because I dropped my daughter off at the rectory, and I couldn't get around because they were surrounding my car and attacking the bumper. I was like, it was funny, but I would do it again. But again, I don't want to taunt the poor animals. Doing a little misty morning hop. Heading to Hickory Tree to get my hair cut. Exciting stuff, huh? Exciting dialogue on this dash cam. But I figured we're going to do a cool little route. Cool little route. So I'm going to be posting this dash cam as well as many other dash cams that you will find on my personal Facebook page and my YouTube channel. I'm not supposed to even be here today. I'm not supposed to even be here. What was that from Clerks? Anyway, I'm not even supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be in Rye, New York, painting pickleball lines on a tennis court, but as you can see, the ground is wet, so I can't do that. I can't work today, so I'm going to be proactive and get a haircut, but not get a real job because I already have a real job. Get a haircut and get a real job. Now, what's that song? I don't have my sidekick with me. I usually have one of my buddies that works with me, and if I don't have an answer to a historic question or a local geography question or a music question, he usually has it. Get a haircut and get a new real job. What was that? Oh, wasn't that like a little change in my pocket, gone jingle? Was that the song? Anyway, I'm gonna leave that alone. It wasn't that great of a song anyway. All right, let's see what the Silver Lake waterfall looks like. Yeah, not great because it hardly rained. It really just misted. We're just getting a mist. Spring is just getting ready to spring upon us. Starting to see some of the cherry blossoms. I have to get back out soon to manage my West Coast empire. I work in Southern California as well. I work where all the hills are. Short Hills, Far Hills, Beverly Hills. I'm not kidding, I actually do. It's where all the tennis courts are. But before I get out there, I have to get out to Newark. Before I get to Beverly Hills, I have to go to Newark. I have to make sure I go to Newark to catch the cherry blossoms in Branch Brook Park. officer. I don't think he got me. I don't think I was speeding. Doing a little Sunday driving today. You always have to worry. You always have to worry. You never know. Even if you don't think you're doing something wrong, you always have to wonder, was I speeding? I've noticed a direct correlation of my driving speed slowing as I get older. Funny how that works out. Sunday driver. That's the current name of my YouTube playlist for my dash cams. I might change the name to Time Marches On though, because whenever I post videos, there's always a segment of people hooting and hollering about how times have changed and the place has been destroyed, but it's like, you know, time marches on. Time marches on. Translated to certain speak, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Like, Gargiulo's Getty isn't here anymore. What do you mean? How could they not have Gargiulo's Getty anymore? Because he's a Shell station in Florham Park now, that's why. My old boss. You'll be happy to know the Chatham Cinema is still there. Try not to go into the whole, this store is here, that store is here, but Hickory Tree Pizza, Chatham Cinema, still there. ShopRite, still here. I didn't call ahead, so hopefully I don't have to wait too long. If you've been gone for a while, I can tell you ahead of me, which is different. Anyway, enjoy. Until the next time.